right, what is a full stack developer or what is full stack development? Well, a full stack developer is essentially a front end developer and a back end developer that can do everything. Now, that sounds incredibly difficult, and generally what you find is that while there are some amazing full stack developers out there that can literally do everything, most of the time what you find is generalists, right? You have some people that know the front end and know the back end well enough that they can put together an application, and that's enough to call themselves a full stack developer. Now, while it sounds like full stack development is the way to go, just keep in mind that there's a massive learning curve to that, and most of the time you're not going to be able to get a hold of every single technology to say that you are like the unicorn out there that knows all of it, right? If you'd like more short videos on Tech Lingo, like and subscribe. There's more on the way each week. You can choose to specialize in front end or back end and then other smaller pieces within that even. For most people getting started, if you want to make your own web application from the very beginning, and a lot of us, let's be honest, when we started out that way, that's what we did. We made our own thing. You're going to be a full stack developer in order to be able to pull that off, right? You have to build the server side and you have to build the client side and you have to put it all together to make an application of your very own. Now, if you're on a team, then yes, obviously there are going to be full stack developers that are good at everything. There's going to be front end developers. There's going to be back end developers. There's going to be DevOps engineers. There's going to be architects and everything else under the sun that can make the application fully featured and planned out all the way up to the top. So in this case, you just kind of have to pick and decide what it is that you want to do. Full stack is totally fun because you get to know a lot of everything. But if you're looking to be specialized and you like to deal with the way things look and feel, then most of the time you're looking at front end. If you like to deal with the server and the back end and server response times and efficiency, then you're looking at back end. That's about all I have for this one. Until next time, happy coding.